Hello, Timothy Van Riper here again, once more, with the Thursday Night Social Cocktail Corner. Yes, as you see, I am wearing the same shirt that I was in the last two videos. Moving on, let's do a cocktail for you. This is going to be my variation of a Brandy Alexander. I'm actually really excited about this because we just got this in. This is our Copper & King single barrel, aged for about 4 years, typical way a brandy would go, and then got put into a brand new barrel from Calvin Cooperage for another year. So this is like a Calvin Cooperage, Westport Whiskey and Wine, and Copper & King's collaboration, three-way collaboration. Super excited for that. So I'm going to feature that in this week's drink. So we're going to take our cocktail shaker and we're going to fill this up with a good amount of ice. Obviously, if you're doing this at home, you're using your hands or scooping your glass into your ice. Two things. Never use an actual glass to scoop up your ice because it could break the glass and you get shards of glass in your ice and then you're drinking glass but not ice. That's never a good thing. And secondly, one of the biggest mistakes about doing cocktails at home is your dilution. Your dilution is key into making your cocktails, okay? So right in, we're gonna do the brandy. Typically this drink gets about 3 ounces of brandy, but since this is such a high proof brandy, coming at 126 proof, we're gonna do an ounce and a half of brandy, and not your typical 3 ounces that you would do with a typical brandy, okay? An ounce and a half of that. Now, traditionally, a Brandy Alexander has cream, but since, you know, cream is not shelf stable, do the next best thing and do bourbon cream. Okay, so an ounce and a half of the bourbon cream. And then I'm going to come in with the Kahlua. We're going to do ½ ounce of the Kahlua. Get some of those nice rum and coffee notes. Don't want to overshine our brandy. And then, thank you, JJ. Thank you very much. Things happen. Things happen. You just gotta roll with them. Just shake this for 30 seconds. Was that 30 seconds? I don't know. We'll never know. But hey, sure you'll know because you're watching the video. I wasn't counting. It felt right. But it feels right. So remember, dilution is important. So you get a nice long shake on it. That's gonna be a thing. And then we're gonna strain it. Look at that. Then also, traditionally, you do a little like cinnamon or nutmeg garnish. But hey, we're just here to drink. Cheers, and there you have a Brandy Alexander. Of course, my twist. Cheers, y'all. So good!